Hey guys, we're back with more Garden of Banban 2. Yes. Let's load our game and let's get a hand in you. And this video is going to be quite long. I just feel it. Where am I now? Still here. Well, we're going to go through a little speed run for 5 seconds until I get the key or whatever's going on. Boo! Okay, that did scare me. No, it did. Okay, I'm going to walk. What was that sound? Was that? I think I saw an ad map. Let's go back. I think that this is just scary. No, I'm going to scare myself. What was that? Finally, though, that was terrifying. First chase scene out of the whole video. So Celine says, Let's go up. Sheriff Toaster says, treat others how you want to be treated with. What if you don't want to be treated with respect? It's okay to have no friends and be miserable. That is sad. That is sad, though. That is sad. I'll be your friend, Nab. Okay, where are we going now? Did anything new happen? Like, oh, can we open this now? Oh, okay. What about here? The blue one. Press. Oh, we don't even have. Oh, we have the blue key card. Okay. For a second, I thought we did. Okay, what do? We read this note, I guess. I wasn't even able to read that. Hold on. Because we got 2 seconds. Well, Banban. I knew it was Banban.
With one stone. I get all of your key cards. I get the perfect specimen, and I don't have to deal with that thing down there.
Well, I knew it was you. I had to do it.
Oh, come on. I didn't hit you that hard.
Yes, you did.
Or maybe I did. Either way, it's best you take a nap while I prepare for our
surgery. Come on, dude. Da 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 bam 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 bam. Okay, we're here. Wait, where are we and what are we doing? I'm going to remove my voice maybe for a bit because I'm giving you a warning. This video is long. I'm voice recording this. Our key cords have been taken away. Well, I know what to do here. I think. Oh, I'll just speed this up a bit. Only That lift was really slow. What do we do here? Look around. There seems to be nothing. Okay. Do not cross or it will trick you. Okay, I'll cross. I think I might have an idea. Or not. Press the hand icon to be reincarnated. 2 days later. We're back. Okay. Video. Okay, well, I'll try and look for something. Guys, I have an idea. Look. Okay, there he's out. I thought he was going to hit me. Okay, now then we can go. I know. No. Oh no, his hand came. What about we hit him? Then we get the Givanium, and then we go all the way, 20. Okay, all the way, and then put the monster's uranium, and then 10 years later, that's how we got all the uranium. Why do I keep doing that, dude? And why am I talking so quietly? I bet YouTube captions coming in. Where it's bad. Died. Okay, grab this 2 hat. Probably a kid left it there. I remember there being a button here, so I'm gonna look. Because I think I watched a video and there was a button. There was a button here, so I'm going to find a button. Well, I didn't end up finding the button. So yeah, that took me so long. Okay. I am going to look around and get. Oh, what's this? Press. Oh, the pink key card. Time for a bit of a speed. I'm going to see you in a bit. B. Okay, we're finally here. So nice enough. What is that? Oh. What is this thing's name again? Garchillium? Something. Let's press this here. Come on, come to me. A new sector. Yay! Okay. Well, we are going to. Is that a Pila bird? I can see her. My heart is beating. Oh no. Scary, dude. I'm not going to speed this up. I'll speed it up if I die one last time.
Quick, in here! This is your
I'm
first
here.
day, but be late again and I'll rip you to pieces. You're new
No.
and unpopular student, so you will have to sit with the unpopular table in
That's
the middle.
rude, dude.
Now sit, so we can begin.
Come on. Look, I'm just going to not talk.
Okay, class, so the first lesson of the day is math.
I think you're
Over the
not
course
allowed
of the
to talk.
semester, you will learn how to annihilate others, how to safely extract the human brain for eating, and... Oh, wait, I made a mistake. I think that's lesson 4 of the day. For math, over the course of the semester, you will learn to add, subtract, divide, multiply, and so much more. I am so excited! Before we start, let's revise some of the basics. What is 6874123612 plus 9819399912? And remember, wrong answers will be very harshly punished. 785-606-3524. Correct! You kids are really paying attention today. Next question, and one that I wrote myself. What is 2 plus 2? Correct! Wow, I thought everyone would get it wrong. Alright, last question before your lunch break. What is misery plus disappointment? My life. Correct! Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for math for the day. Go to your lunch break, and then we'll start the next lesson when you come back.
It looks like we've got some puzzles, so I think I've got to speed up. And what is this gum doing on the floor? What is that? This is like our. Okay. Well, let's start, and I'll see you after the speed run.
Attention everyone, this announcement concludes your second break. Please return to your classes.
Oh wow! 3 new kids in one day? One unpopular kid? Yuck. One cool kid and one mean kid. Welcome! Sit on the table to your left where you belong so we can begin. Okay, kids, the next lesson is health and kindness. Just like we did for math and science, it will only be a review lesson. Let's start with some common knowledge to freshen your stupid brains. Can anyone here give me an example of an unkind person? I hate school. Wrong!
Hey guys, I skipped this part, and to know I did the birds, and that was totally annoying. So yeah, I finished that, and now I'm doing this. I finished back in this class. Just okay. I accidentally forgot to pause it, so let's just go on.
Hello? Where are you hiding?
This is too much for me. I quit.